students, I hope you all are fine in this pandemic. Now let us start today's lecture of rationalizations. In my last lecture, we have discussed about exponents. Today we continue with rationalizations. Please students, say me, what do you mean by rational number? Rationalizations. Please say me, what do you mean by rationalization? Please say me, what do you mean by rational number? The rational number are those numbers which can be expressed in P by Q forms, where P and Q are the integers. P and Q are the integers, and P and Q are in simplest form, means they are in simplest form or lowest term, and Q is not equal to 0. This number is called a rational numbers. These are in simplest form. What do you mean by simplest form? Suppose I say 15 upon 3. Is this in simplest form? No, because there is a common factor between 15 and 3. Which is the common factor? 3 is the common factor. This is 5 upon 1. This is in the simplest form. Those numbers are in simplest form, means they do not have any common factors. Suppose I say 4 upon 16. Is this in simplest form? No, because they have the common factors 4. Then 1 upon 4 is the simplest form. Then the rational number is the number which can be represented in P by Q form, where P and Q are the integers, and in P and Q are in the simplest form, and Q is not equal to 0. Suppose I say minus 7. Is this a rational number? Yes, because minus 7 can be represented in the form minus 7 upon 1. Then now let us discuss those numbers which are not rational numbers. You know, the rational number plus irrational numbers belongs to the set of real numbers. Then the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of rational number are called irrational numbers. You know, root 2 is a irrational number, root 3 is also irrational number, root 5 is also a irrational number. Is root 4 a irrational number? No, because root 4 is plus or minus 2. This is not a irrational number. This is a rational number. This can be expressed in this form. Now let us discuss about some identities of the irrational numbers. Then the identities are, please note down students. I have already told you, please, when I teach you, please note down the important terms. Root a square is equal to a, and the second rule is root a into root b is root a into root b is equal to root a b c. Root a upon root b is equal to root of a upon b. These are the identities of the irrational number. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b. This is in the form a plus b into a minus b, which you know a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then when we multiply this, we get this is a minus b. This is very important identity which you mainly use to rationalize the given algebraic expressions. And another a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Then these are those identities which you mainly used while you solving the rationalizations of the given algebraic expressions. This is equal to, you know, this is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus or minus 2 root ab plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then another identities is fifth E, F, G. Sixth, seventh identity says that root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equal to root of AC plus root of BD plus root of BC plus root of AD. Root of AD. These are those identities which you mainly use for the rationalizations of the given algebraic expressions. Now keep those identities here. Now let us discuss about some examples, some questions. I have already told you, without solving some questions, all those maths formula is useless. While using it, the practical use, then you get the better idea about those theories which you have read. Here the question says that find the fifth root of 16. What do you mean by fifth root of 16? Into fifth root of 2. Fifth root of 2 into fifth root of 16. Then fifth root of 16 can be expressed in this form 1 upon 5, you know, and 2 fifth root of 2, which can also be written as 2 to the power 1 upon 5. You know, 2 root q is means 2 to the power 1 upon 3. Simply root 5 means 5 to the power 1 upon 2, you know. Then in this way, fifth root of 16 means 16 to the power 1 upon 5. Fifth root of 2 means 2 to the power 1 upon 5. Then use these identities. In this way, we can write 16 into 2 to the power 1 upon 5, which is equal to 32 to the power 1 upon 5. Then when you find out the fifth root of 32, 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 into 1 upon 5. 5 cancels, which equal to 2. This is the answer of the given questions. 2 is the answer of the given questions. This is the answers. Now let us discuss some another examples. Here another question says that find the fourth root of 243 fourth root of 243 upon fourth root of 3. Then use these identities. In this way, you can write this in this form. This is whole fourth root of 243 upon 3, which is equal to 81 fourth root. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. Fourth root can be written as 1 upon 4. 4 cancels, which equal to 3. 3 is the answer of the given questions. You have to find out this value, and by solving this using those identities, you can find this value. Now let us discuss about some more questions in next page. Now let us discuss about some more questions. Here another example says that, please students note down the questions and pause the video and try to do your own. Here the question says that simplify the following expressions. The expression is given 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2. Recall those identities. Root a plus root b into root c into root d. Then in this way you can write this is 3 into 2 plus 2 into root 3 plus 3 into root 2 plus root 3 into root 2. Then this is 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, and this can be written as root of 3 into 2, 6. Then keep this 6 plus 6 root. 6 plus 6 root plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. This is the This is the answer of this given questions. Here the simplify the given expressions. When you simplify, you get this is the answers. Now let us discuss some more questions. Here another question says, in the same way simplify the given expression. This is 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Then you can write this 5 into 2 plus 2 root 7 plus 5 root 5 plus root 7 into root 5. Then this is 10 plus 2 root 7 plus 5 root 5 plus 7 5 ja 35 whole square root of 35. This is, in this way you simplify this given questions. Then now let us discuss some more examples. Here another example says that, students, I have already told you while you practicing your worksheets in your book, please, when the doubt persists, please ask me in my comment box. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. Then here look at these questions. These expressions you have to simplify this. This is the expressions. This is a plus b into a minus b. Then as you know those identities, a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. Then a square means 5 square 25 minus root 5 square is 5. 20 is the answer. Very easily by using those identities you solve this and you get a simple answers. Now let us discuss another questions. Here erase the questions, erase the page and start in my next page. Here another question says that, simplify the given expressions. The given expressions is here 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. Look at here, this is also in the form a plus b into a minus b. You know that a plus b into a minus b means this is a square minus b square. This is 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. 3 square is 9 minus 2 root 2 whole square is root 2 square 4 into root 2 square 2. 4 2 ja 8. This is 8. 9 minus 8 1. 1 is the simple answer of the given expressions. When you simplify this very easily by using those identities, you get the answer 1. Okay. Now let us simplify another questions. Please students, you must practice your textbook and ask me your doubt. Here root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Here you have to solve this. Here this is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Recall the identities. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Then this is root 5 square means 5. Root 2 square means 2 plus 2 into root 10. This is 7 plus 2 root 10. This is the simple answers of the given questions. Here another example says that, in the same way you have to simplify the given expressions. Root 11 minus root 5 square. This is also in the form a minus b whole square. Please students, say me the identities a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is very easy. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Am I right? Then 11 root whole square is 11. 5 root whole square is 5 minus 2 whole root of 11 into 5, 55 whole root. This is equal to 16 minus 2 root 55. This is the answer of the given questions. When the question is given, simplify this, then use the identities and solve it, and you get the answer. This is the simple answer of the given questions. Now let us discuss some more examples. Here the question is given. Rationalize the given expressions. Erase it and try in next page. Here the question is given. You have to rationalize the given expressions. You know what is rational number? Rational number is the number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q form. P by Q form, where P and Q are in simplest form and Q is not equal to 0. But in the case of rationalizations, means rationalize the denominator. Here you have to rationalize the denominator. Is root 2 a rational number? Is root 2 a rational number? No, root 2 is an irrational number. Here you have to rationalize denominator, means you have to find out without changing its value. You have to find an rational denominators. Then how can you get rational denominator? Simply multiply root 2 in numerator and denominator. Is the value changed? While you multiplying the same number in both numerator and denominator, then there will be no change of value. Then here 3 plus root 5 into root 2 upon root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Then here 3 plus root 5 into root 2. This is 3 root 2 plus root 5 into root 2 is root 10 upon 2. This is the form in which you rationalize the denominator. Now let us solve some more questions. Here another question is given. Rationalize the denominator. The question is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Is 2 plus root 3 is a rational number? No. But here you have to rationalize the denominator. Then how can we rationalize the denominator? This is, then if I multiply 2 minus root 3 in numerator and 2 minus root 3 in denominator, when you know when we multiply the same number in both numerator and denominator, there will be no change in value. Look at here. The denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Then here a square is 2 square 4. The numerator is 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. Then you get the answers 2 minus root 3 upon 1. Then here you can rationalize the denominators. Now let us solve some more questions. Here the rationalize the denominator in the question is given. Very simple questions you have to rationalize. Very easy, students. Only simply multiply root 3 in both numerator and denominator. You get the numerator is 2 root 3 and the denominator is root 3 into root 3 3. Then this is the answers. Then you get the rationalized denominator. Then take another examples. Here another examples, you have to rationalize the 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. Look at here. In the same way multiply 3 minus root 2 in numerator and denominators. As you know, when we multiply the same number in both numerator and denominator, then there will be no change in value. Then you get this. This is 3 minus root 2 upon, this is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Then this is the numerator is 3 minus root 2 upon 3 square is 9, root 2 square is 2. 2. This is 9 minus 2. Then you get this is 3 minus root 2 upon 7. Then the 7 is a rational number. In this way you can rationalize the given denominators. Now let us solve some more questions. I have already told you while you practicing variety of questions, then the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will not be a challenge for you. Here the questions is given. Rationalize the given denominators. The question is 2 minus root 3 upon root 3. Then how can you rationalize? Simply multiply root 3 in the numerators and root 3 in the denominators. Then when you multiply root 3 in the denominator, then when you multiply root 3 in the numerator, this is 2 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then here root 3 into root 3 is 3. This is the answer of the questions. In this way you can rationalize the given denominators. Then solves another questions. Here Here another questions is given. Rationalize the denominator root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Here you have to rationalize the denominators and the question is given. This is equal to a plus b root 3. You have to find out the value of a and b. Here you have to find out the value of a and b. Then here take the LHS. This is root 3 minus 1. Multiply simply root 3 minus 1 in both numerator and denominators. Then when you multiply root 3 minus 1 in both numerator and denominator, the numerator is in the form a minus b whole square. As you know, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab and the denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Then this is a square minus b square, which is equal to root 3 square is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, and in the denominator you get this is 3 minus 1, then which is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2, then which is equal to 2 minus root 3. When you divide 2 in both, please take common of 2. This is 2 minus root 3 upon 2. When you cut this, you get the numerator is simply 2 minus root 3, which is equal to, compare this with a plus b root 3, then you get a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1. In this way you can simply find out the value of a and b. Then now solves another questions. I have already told you when you practicing variety of questions, then the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will not be a challenge for you. Here the question says that 3 plus root 7 upon 3 minus root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. Then here also you have to find out the value of a and b. Now solve. Take 3 plus root 7 upon 3 minus root 7. Then simply multiply 3 plus root 7 in numerator and in denominators. Then the numerator is in the form a plus b whole square. 3 plus root 7 whole square upon a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Then the numerator is in the form a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab, and the denominator is a square minus b square, which is 9 minus 7. Then the numerator is 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 6 root 7 upon 9 minus 7 is 2. Then which is taking 2 common, then you get the numerator is 8 plus 3 root 7 upon 2. Then 2 cancels, which is compare this with a plus b root 7s. This is given. Then by comparing this you get 8 plus 3 root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. Then by comparing this we get a equal to 8 and b equal to 3. When you compare the LHS with the RHS, then you get the value of A and B. Now let us solve another questions. And please students, you do your worksheets, examples, any textbook you follow, NCERT book, and ask me your doubt. Here another question says that here also 5 plus 2 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3, which is equal to a plus b root 3. Here also you have to find out the value of a and b. Now solve this. Take the questions is 5 plus 2 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Then here you have to multiply the numerator and denominator both with 7 minus 4 root 3. The numerator is 5 plus 2 root 3 into, when you multiply this 7 minus 4 root 3, and when you multiply the same number with numerator and denominator, then there will be no change in value. You simply multiply 7 minus 4 root 3 in both numerator and denominators. Then when you multiply this, you get 7 5 ja 35 plus 14 root 3 minus 20 root 3 and 4 2 ja 8 into root 3 into root 3 3, 8 3 ja 24. Then you get minus 24. Then the denominator is 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3, which is a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square form. Then 35 minus 23 is equal to 11 minus 11 plus 20 root 3 minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3, which is equal to 6 root 3. Then the denominator is 7 square is 49 minus 4 square 16 root 3 square 3, 16 into 3, which is equal to 48, which is this is 11 minus 6 root 3 upon 1, then which is equal to a plus b root 3. Then here the LHS says 7 minus 6 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Then by comparing the LHS with the RHS, we come to the conclusion that a is equal to 11 and b is equal to minus 6. Here we get the answer a is equal to 11 and b is equal to minus 6. Now let us solve some another examples. Here another example says that, now let us rationalize the given questions. Here you have to rationalize the given questions and find out the value of a and b. Here another question says that, look at here. Here rationalize the given fact question. The given expressions is root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3. Here you have to rationalize this. Then while you rationalize, simply multiply root 5 into root 3 in numerator, root 5 plus root 3 in numerator and in denominator. As you know that when you multiply the same number in the numerator and the denominator, then there will be no change in the value. Then the numerator is in the form root 5 plus root 3 whole square, and the denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b, which is s square minus b square. Then the numerator is a plus b whole square, which is equal to s square plus b square plus 2ab. Then the denominator is 5 root 5 square 5 root 3 square 3. Then the numerator is 8 plus 2 root 15 upon 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then you take 2 common. This is 4 minus root 15 upon 2. 2 cancels, which is equal to 4 minus root 15. This is the rationalizations of the denominator. Now let us solve some more questions. I have already told you this series will be of different level, in which we discuss the theory up to root level and practice rigorous problems. Mathematics is more about practice and practice. No solutions. Without practice, you cannot do better in your exams. Here the question is given. You have to rationalize the denominators. Then to rationalize the denominator, the simple formula is multiply. This is in the form a minus b. Then multiply the numerator with this 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 and the denominator with the same 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Then when you multiply this, you get 3 root 2 into root 2. Then this is 3 into 2 plus 3 root 2 into root 3. This is 3 into root 6 plus 2 root 3 into root 2. This is 2 into root 6. Then 2 root 3 into root 3. This is 2 into 3, 6. And the denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square. Then the numerator is 6 plus 3 root 6 plus 2 root 6. This is 5 root 6 plus 6 upon 3 root 2 whole square. This is 9 2 18 minus 2 root 3 square means 2 square 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then here you get 12 plus 5 root 6 upon 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. Then here this is the question. This is the answer. 12 plus 5 root 6. 12 plus 5 root 6. Otherwise, when you simplify, this is 2 plus 5 upon 6 root 6. This is the rationalizations of the denominator form. When the question is given, then by simplifying you get this is the answer. This is the answer of the given questions. Then students, if any doubt persists in my any step, please ask me. I am ever ready to clear your all doubts. No hesitations to ask me your doubt. Please students. Then here another question says that simplify each of the following. Here you have to simplify each of the following. 5 minus root 3. 3 upon 5 minus root 3 plus 2 upon 5 plus root 3. Then here you take the LCM of this and this. The LCM of this is 5 minus root 3 into 5 plus root 3. 5 plus root 3. Then you get by solving this 5 plus root 3 plus 2 into 5 minus root 3. Then the multiply, open the bracket, 3 into 5, 15 plus 3 root 3 plus 10 minus 2 root 3, and the denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Then this is 5 minus root 3 into 5 plus root 3. Then this is a square minus b square. Then in the numerator you get 15 plus 10. This is 25. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is only simple root 3 upon 5 minus 3. Then here you get 25 plus root 3 upon 22. Then this is the simplifications of the given questions. This is the simplifications of the given questions. Here another examples. Here another examples. Here another examples. This is also simplify the given questions. The question is here. You students please note down the questions and pause the video and try to do your own. Then if any doubt persists, then open the video and see my solutions. Otherwise you please try to do your own. This is the given questions. You have to simplify this. Then take the LCM is 4 minus root 5 into 4 plus root 5. Then here this is 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5, which is in the form 4 plus root 5 whole square. Here 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. This is 4 minus root 5 whole square. This is 4 minus root 5 whole square. Then this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 4 into root 5. Then this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and the denominator is a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Then here in the numerator 8 plus root 5, 8 minus root 5 cancels. You get this is when you add 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 5 26, 26 plus 16 is 42, 42 upon 16 minus 5, which is equal to 42 upon 11. This is the answer of the given questions. Here the question is given, then by simplifying you get the answers. Now let us solve some more questions. Now let us solve some more questions. You students please try to do your worksheets. Here another question is given. Here another question is given. You have to rationalize the 5 root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2. Simplify this minus root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. Here you have to simplify. Take the LCM as root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2. Then root 5 minus 2 into root 5 minus 2, which is root 5 minus 2 whole square. Please students never hesitate to ask me your doubt. Here this is root 5 plus 2 into root 5 plus 2, root 5 plus 2 whole square, and the subtraction sign is in the middle. Keep it here. Then here this is a minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into 2, 4 into root 5 minus 4 root 5. This is 2 square. Then here a plus b whole square. This is a square plus b square. Here minus signs, hence the sign will be changed. Root 5 square 5 minus 5. 2 square is minus, and minus 2 into 2 root 5, which is equal to 5 plus, then the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Then the numerator is 5 plus 4, 4 root 5, 4 root 5, sorry. This is 5 plus 4 minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5. This is minus 8 root 5 minus 5 minus 4. Plus 5 minus 5 plus 4 minus 4 cancels, and the denominator is root 5 square 5, 2 square 4. Then in the numerator you get minus 8 root 5 upon 1. Then this answer is minus 8 root 5. This is the answer of the given questions. While you simplify this, you get the answer this. Then students, today this much. In my next lecture, we will continue with this. Thank you students.